I'm going to be removing this HDMI port. I'm going to show you how to do it. So first, I'm going to put some flux, this flux, right here. I'm going to put a little bit of flux here. Then I'm going to take this right here, and this right here is low melt solder, and what that does is drop the heat. So I'm going to take that, just put a little bit here, like that, here, and I'm going to take this, and what it does is allows the solder to get loose faster. And I'm going to add some more here. Right here. And here. It just makes it very easy and simple to work with. And then I'm going to turn my heat gun on and put as high as 350 degrees or 356, and air is maximum air. That's what's making all that noise. Oops. So now I'm gonna go right here. As you might notice, I'm blasting the heat right here. Hopefully you guys can see this. This is for me to show you how I do it. It's very easy, very simple. And see, it fell down. That was easy. So this is hot as hell. There you go. Hopefully you can see this. And this is how you remove the port. Very simple, very easy, and to replace this port back in is the same way as you soldered it in. To take it out, you have to desolder all the leftovers, slap it in with flux and heat at 400 degrees and drop it back in. It's very simple, but you have to have a station. Okay? I use this type of station. This is the station I use. It does a good job. And it takes care of these ports to come out. It's very simple, very easy, straightforward. Remember, at 356 degrees, with maximum air, the port will just fall off. If you have any questions, please send me a message. Like and subscribe if you like the video. See you later.